Angle of list. Angle of list. Permanent tilt of vessel. The angle of list increased after the cargo shifted. Annual survey. Annual survey. Yearly inspection of vessel. The ship is preparing for its annual survey next week. Annual variation. Annual variation. Yearly change in magnetic variation. Check the annual variation on the chart to update the compass error. Apparent wind. Apparent wind. Wind experienced on moving vessel. The apparent wind is much stronger when the ship is moving fast. Appraisal. Appraisal. Assessment before action. Start the appraisal process by checking all available charts and publications. Approach. Approach. Method of coming closer. Reduce speed during the final approach to the pier. Appropriate. Appropriate. Suitable for the situation. Ensure you use the appropriate scale chart for navigation. Approval. Approval. Official permission. The new safety equipment requires class approval. ARPA, Automatic Radar Plotting Aid. ARPA, Automatic Radar Plotting Aid, radar system for tracking targets. Use the ARPA to monitor the collision risk with the approaching vessel. Assemble. Assemble. Gather at a place. All passengers must assemble at the muster station immediately. Assembly station. Assembly station. Emergency meeting point. In case of an alarm, proceed to your assigned assembly station.